You sure about this?
Well, it's the only way. Just be careful.
Can you stand up?
Trying to.
Please don't hurt me.
Calm down. We're not with those men. You live here?
Yes! What is that? They're here.
Don't drop the torch. As long as you have it, they can't touch you.
What do they want with me?
Come to us. We have to go back up. The sun will protect us.
Calm down. You're safe in the light. All right. Where did they come from? There's more coming.
A lot more. Keep moving.
There's too many! Don't stop!
Ignore them! Keep moving!
Yes!